Hi, this is Sarah Aronson, board member of the Prospect Theater Project. Thank you for becoming a season subscriber. I'm here to show you how to use your season ticket. Go to prospecttheaterproject.org. This will take you to the landing page of the Prospect Theater Project. Look for the calendar at the top. Click on the calendar, scroll down to the performance you'd like to choose a ticket for. Click on Order Now button. Look for Enter Subscription Code in the top right and click on it to enter your individual code. This code will be found in your confirmation page that was sent to you earlier. Select Performance Date and Quantity. Click the Continue button. Next, click on Pay Now. There will be no payment due since you're a season subscription holder. Thank you for being a season subscriber. We appreciate your support. We look forward to seeing you at the theater.